In the year 2025, China's advanced aerial defense technology system emerges as a pivotal player in global security, showcasing cutting-edge innovations and strategic capabilities. This system not only enhances national defense, but also reshapes the dynamics of international military power. As China's aerial defense system becomes operational, it incorporates artificial intelligence and real-time data analysis, enabling swift responses to potential threats. These advancements position China as a formidable force in technology-driven warfare, leaving a significant impact on global military strategies. In strategic meetings, military leaders utilize immersive simulations to explore various combat scenarios, refining their tactics for optimal defense. On the ground, cities breathe easier as the protective shield of the aerial defense system looms overhead, ensuring safety and security from threats. At international summits, China's aerial defense technology becomes a key discussion point, influencing global perceptions and alliances. Meanwhile, dedicated engineers tirelessly innovate, improving aerial vehicles to maintain the technological edge and secure their nation's position on the world stage.